You gon' bust for the team or what? Let my ass bitch on scene for what? You gon' drop it to your knees or what? Make it clap, make it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danyel Anyssa. I do beauty, lifestyle, and more. And if you enjoy that, please subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. So for today's video is a soft brown look, and I came up with this look. And if you want to see how I recreate it, please keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so guys, I already did my brows. I use Anastasia. Y'all know the deal. So for today's look, we're gonna do a soft brown, like I said in the intro. So I'm using my hydrating e.l.f. camo concealer, all-time fave. I really want to try this Born This Way. Let me know down in the comments if y'all tried that, because your girl's late on it and I want to try it so bad. So I'm gonna get my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend this all out evenly. Base is on. For today, I'm gonna be using the Morphe 39A palette. So I'm gonna be using this one today. Boost. Get a look at that. That's so gorgeous. So I'm gonna be using these shades, and I'll name them for you so y'all know what shade I'm using. And you're like, girl, what are you using? Girl, I'm using this shade. We're gonna first use any like bone color you have. I'm just gonna use this LA color. I'm gonna try it out. I haven't tried this bone color out yet, so I'm just gonna like blur it out around my eyes to give me a base so it just won't look chalky. So I'm just gonna use this white shade and blend it. This comes in handy, guys. Oh my god, there's lashes. This comes in handy to clean your brushes. Dollar Tree has them. You can also just get a sponge. Let me be real, you can just get a sponge and clean it that way. Cause what it is, a sponge, guys. I blend it all. You can't really tell. Let me zoom out in so I can get the full effect of my eye lovey. I put the white all the crease in my eyes. Have a smooth face when I'm putting color. I love browns. Oh my god, that's like my favorite. So I use my LA Colors Matterific matte shadows, but you can use any kind of bone color. You don't use white, but you want to do like a cream, like a bone color. So like that color, that's what I'm talking about. So we blend that all over our eyes, and now we're gonna use a Morphe M441 brush. It's been a while for me. Feel me? The Bare. We're gonna do like this soft brown, like cut crease, but like an ombre look. So for the shade, I'm going to be using Bare. Right there. I'm going to use that shade. So it's just like on the outer edge. I don't really want to do it mainly in my inner corner because that's where I'm going to put some like my whitish colors. I'm going to put like a white color maybe. Or I'll use that bone color again. But we're just going to keep this on the outer edge. You don't really want to go in the middle. You don't want to go more in the inner. Just keep it out here. This is like for like girls that doesn't want like a lot of color in their eyes. You know, they're just like natural, but you want something in their eye. This is a great look for y'all because it's simple. Blended. Next shadow, I'm going to use Canvas. It's the shade right next Canvas, and we're just gonna use the same brush, and we're gonna and next shade I'm going to go in with is the shade next to that shade. And it's, I really need to cut these out and put the names at the bottom so I don't have to be doing this. But Thunder is the shade of right next to it. I'm going to use that shade. You just want to keep everything on the outer crease. Same brush. mask. So this like chocolate brown right here. Clean this brush off real quick. Just clean it off. Different brush, and I'm gonna use it very light. So this Morphe 456 brush called Frame. So the one next to it. That one. Get some tape because we're going to do a wing liner. Is for the LA colors, I'm just going to brighten up the inner corner of the white. So I'm just going to enhance it. That's all I'm doing. We're going to do shadow with the white. That's where I'm placing it. So we can just enhance. Okay, that is it for the look. We're going to do some liner. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brown liner. I'm using for foundation my Dose of Colors. This is Bomb. It's matte. To crop it if you haven't cropped it yet. But I'm going to use this foundation for today. I haven't used it in a while, so I might as well just bring it out, right? And if you haven't tried it, it's amazing. I did do a review over this, so if you haven't watched it, I have it on my cards up on top. I have it up on top for y'all. So for concealer, I'm going to use my e.l.f. I'm going to highlight the points of your face. I really love this concealer. And the tip of my nose. So we're just going to let that sit for quite some time. Not too long, not too short, but we're going to do. I'm in love with this caramel look. Like, girl, please. Yeah, so we're not gonna let the nose one sit because I don't like to have that stained nose. We look a little too light, so that's why we're gonna contour our face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using the shade Toast for my nose. We're just gonna contour my nose. I like to have very smoky nose, so we're just gonna contour them. Our brow will do the job for the rest of my face. So all you can do. For powder, we're going to use Airspun, the old-fashioned OG. So we're going to use that. That's on for a little bit, and then for the rest of my face, I'm going to use just a cream PC04 brush for the rest of my face to give a smoother base when I'm putting on my powder. So we're going to look a little white, but that's okay because sprays and powders will do the job for making my base look snatch. So we're done with powder for now. For contour for our nose, we're going to use the Take Me Home to the Bronze, and we're going to go in with just an eyeshadow cut from Real Techniques where we contour that. So we can at the nose, tip of the nose, and our nose. You're gonna curve it. just lightly. So for the powder for our face, we're going to go with our e.l.f. Y'all heard me talk about this one. I'm going to use my e.l.f. brush and just try to mix it so we can just get some color in our face. Now we look snatched. We look snatched. Fusion brush 3, and we're going to go in with the shade because it's a fall more type of color. And we're just going to pat and just like that. Pretty fresh hyaluronic acid spray. I'm gonna go to that Anastasia and Marisi one. I couldn't find any gold highlighters I have, so this is gonna give me like a very glamorous look. Go straight in. We're gonna enhance that. Okay, so we're just gonna enhance our inner corner. Just enhance it. Okay, so we're gonna enhance it real quick. And then the brow bone. This is such a cute look, like the ombre effect. Girl, you can't believe. I have a little pimple. I don't know how to get rid of that. It just does not go away. So if you have any remedies, I forget what it's called. It's not like a pimple, but it's like a skin thing. I don't know. So you just want to go where the highlight. You see where that's highlighted? Girl, you put it right there. Soften it out. We want to look like glass. You already know. Look at that. Girl, you gleaming. Highlighted the pores. Girl. Ooh. Ooh. Girl, look at me. And then for the nose, done with everything. I am surprised. I'm gonna do this real quick because I don't like to do it when my lashes are really on, because then my lashes start coming off because of wetness.
That's what she said.
So let me clean my hands. Girl, get your wet wipes because I hate having my hands with foundation and all that good stuff. So I just want to clean your hands. I do this with my lips, and you're not supposed to brows, and put some mascara. My favorite setting brow so far is the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. It's real cheap. I think it's like $1.99. Girl, go get it. And we're just gonna enhance, bring it back to life because it's been suffering with some powder. Yes, so brows are set. And for my favorite mascara from the drugstore as of right now is the Falsies Lash Lip. And girl, get it always in black is black because that's the best. So what I'm just gonna do is slightly coat it because you're gonna be wearing lashes with Sculpted. This is Last like caramely brown cocoa shade. And for the under eyes, see how it's a different brown, but it just enhances it a little bit more. And you just get any brush. I use a Morphe M506. That's the brush I use. I really love this Morphe palette because it's like a great fall color because you can do all kinds of looks. You can do a cranberry, soft brown, freaking exotic blue, exotic green. You do you, boo boo. Salon Perfect girlfriends, I think they're 613. I was gonna use my Baddie B, but like I want to show this look and not hide it because they're very dramatic. Those lashes are very dramatic. That's when you want to have like some pink color, boo boo. You use that. I'm gonna use the LA color Bear. So finish back with our lip combos on the Lifter Gloss by Maybelline and Stone. Little diamonds and my Pandora necklace. So this is the final look. So boos, this is it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch any of my recent videos. I hope you like this look. If you recreate it, send me pictures because I'll be in love. I'll share it and repost it on my IG story. But yes, I hope you guys love this. It's a very soft ombre look for you who doesn't like that too much glam, but it's a little something. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And if you haven't watched any of my recent videos, please do. And yeah, that's all guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.